Hello to you, Mark Hall here with your weekly fine wine investment market update. Today, Thursday, the 25th of July, 2013. So today we thought we'd have a closer look at champagne. Now, there was a very interesting article published by Decanter this week, which can incidentally be found on our website along with all the current news. This talks about the recent surge in champagne sales. Now, we mentioned champagne in our video probably a week or two ago now, and demand has certainly been high since then, a trend which is very much borne out in the Decanter article. The main thrust of the article is in fact the London merchants have reported a huge upswing in champagne sales this year. One merchant has reported that they've sold the same amount of the fizzy stuff in the first 6 months of the year as they did for the whole of 2012. It appears that the main reason for this sudden popularity is the fact that investors in all geographic territories, particularly in China, are now insisting, and quite rightly so in our opinion, that portfolio diversification is the key word or key words. Champagne and also port are two areas of the market that are taking off in quite a big way, and we believe the time is now right for investors to start looking at these sectors seriously. This opinion is cemented by the fact that in June on LiveX, 3 of the top 5 risers were in fact champagnes, and they were the Krug 1996, which was up 10%, the Tattinger 2004, which rose in value by 8.8%, and the Cristal 2002, which was up an impressive 7.3%. So is champagne a good long-term bet? Well, no one could be sure of that, but with our trading platform, clients are perfectly placed to take advantage of current popularity of champagne and, of course, the port. They can ride the wave while it lasts and then sell out immediately if and when the trend comes to an end. As always, to set up an account with us is very simple. All you have to do is get in touch. Finally, LiveX posted a very interesting blog on their site today, which ties in very neatly with what we've been telling investors for the last 6 months or so. In this piece, LiveX point out that the LiveX 50, which is representative of the first growth sector only, well, it is in fact struggling. After a strong start to the year, the index is currently drifting. Indeed, this month alone, it's already down by 0.9%. While this is happening, LiveX points out that other sectors of the market are indeed thriving. The 3 indices that represent Italy, Burgundy and Champagne, well, they've all hit record highs, with Champagne posting a 6-year gain of 61%, the Italian Super Tuscans posting a gain of 93%, and Burgundy posting a 6-year gain of 109%. So let me reiterate, the fine wine investment market is actually extremely healthy at this moment, and the current situation is very clear. While the first growths may be struggling, other areas are making investors extremely good returns. Now, just to remind you, if you run a restaurant or even a hotel, we can provide you with the best wine and champagne, and in most instances for considerably less than your current merchant. And let's not forget that we will of course deliver directly to your door. Just email us with your wish list of the wines that you wish, and we'll come back to you with a written quote. So why not see how much you can save just by getting in touch? Our details are on the screen. So that's it for this Thursday, and I look forward to seeing you next week.